Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to fix the door hinge. It belongs to a 1966 Impala. The door makes pretty loud noise when you open the door. It just makes pretty nasty noise, and the reason why is because this bearing here, I don't know if you can see this bearing, but if you bring the camera this way, the other way, point it that way, yeah, right there, I don't know. But let's see, turn it this way. I have a cameraman right here next to me, but yeah, keep it right there, keep it right there. So this bearing it's all worn out. It's not round like it's supposed to be. And when you close that door, it doesn't matter what door it is and what kind of car it is, because that bearing goes bad. And the bearing looks just like this. Watch. See? It looks just like this. It's round. It's really round. And the one I'm gonna remove is all damaged. I'm gonna show you, if you stay for a little bit with me, and I'm gonna show you how to replace these, so you get rid of the nasty noise every time you close your door. All right. So well, this is the noise that you will hear when you try to close your door. See? Listen to it. Very loud. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of things that may be able to help you. Okay, guys. So this is what you need. It's a punch. You gotta knock this out. So you're gonna get it through this little hole here. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Okay. Well, this hole right here, and just stick it in there, right? Stick it in there, and then you're gonna just bang it out. Get yourself a hammer. Okay, get yourself a hammer and just hit it. Oh wow, here it is. Here it is, guys. Okay, it's not hard to do, and this is how it looks. Let's see. See, it's not even round. I don't know if you can see. Let me take off my gloves so I can show you, so you know what I'm talking about. It's like a bearing. I'm trying to get it where I'm using my cell phone, so you know. But there it is. Okay, you see that? It's all worn out, and I'm gonna show you how the new one looks. It's not even round. It's missing something. So okay, here it is. Here's the new one. See how round shape? It's not. Just replace these. Then just put it back in. This is your new one. And this is going to be it. That's it. This is just that's how it looks. Hope you can see. Yeah. And just drive it in. Get it right in there. Can you see? Just drive it in that hole. All the way. All the way. See. See that? nice and brown. So once again, right here. I think that's it. I think that's about it, man. It won't go any further in. Let me see. We'll try it one more time. That's it. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, sorry guys, but I'm using my cell phone, so excuse me. Anyways, that's kind of funny, but anyways, I started hammering, man. My cell phone went down on the ground. Well, anyways, this is how you fix that noise, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. And please follow me along on my YouTube videos, and I'll be showing a lot of other stuff, not just car stuff. You know, maybe my next one will be how to have a solar system on your house with $2,000. All right, peace out. Love yourself.